Good morning, children. Early in the morning, you will get up. After getting up, what you will do? You will come to school? No. You will go to brush your teeth. After brushing, you will take bath. After bathing, you will wear your clothes or uniform or whatever else. After wearing the clothes, what you will do? You will eat your breakfast. What kind of breakfast you will eat? You will eat. I'll write some of the breakfast. Morning tiffin tintar kada, my mummy will keep you tiffin. No, tiffin is called breakfast. Morning whatever we eat in the morning, we call it as breakfast. Okay. This is what you eat morning. Puri, idli, chapati, dosa. Like that, so many kinds of breakfasts are there. So many kinds of tiffins are there. Okay. In this, we are going to learn today. Our lesson is food from plants. Okay. Fourth lesson. Food from plants. Food from plants. What is food? We learn today what is food. Okay? Food is nothing but puri, idli, chapati, dosa, rice, biryani. Do you know biryani? You like it now? Okay. Noodles. Chicken, egg. These are the foods. So many types of varieties of foods are there. Okay? Egg, puri, idli, chapati, dosa, rice, biryani, noodles, chicken. Still I have so many other, I cannot write all the foods here, no. So these are the foods. These foods are of two types. Two types of foods are there for us. Okay? Two types. Once again, two types. What are two types? One is from plants. And other one is from animals. Egg, puri, idli, chapati, dosa, rice, biryani, noodles and chicken. These are all different kinds of food items. Food items we are having. Okay? These food items are two types. How many types? Two types. How many types, children? Two types. One is coming from plants. And two types means one is from plants. And second one is from animals. Today we are going to learn about what the food is getting from plants. Plants means వచ్చే food we are learning. Food from plants. Children, this is the fourth lesson. Food from plants. Okay? Food from plants. Once again, food from plants. Okay, children? Okay, look here. This is the first class, subject science, video number 13. Video number 13. Okay. Food from plants. I already explained what is food. So many kinds of different types of foods are there. What the food is, from where the food is coming from plants, we'll see the lesson. Okay. What is this? Already explained so many times, no? So many times I have drawn this one. What is this, children? This is a plant. This is a plant. This is a plant. I already explained the parts of a plant. These are the roots. This is the leaf, and this is the flower. This is the flower of a plant, and this is the fruit of a plant. This is the fruit of a plant. Okay, children? This is the plant. All plants give fruits and flowers. All plants will give fruits and flowers. Okay? This is the root of a plant. This is the stem. This is the leaves. This is the flower. This is the fruit. Okay? All plants we get fruits and flowers from plants. In the previous lesson I already explained you leaves and flowers. Leaves of these plants and flowers. Now we are going to learn the fourth lesson, food from plants. What we are getting from where we are getting, we learn today. Okay? This is the foodies of two types already explained now. One is from plants and one is from animals. Today, what plants are there? What plants are giving for us food? Plants. Okay? Plants are useful to us. Okay? First one, they are useful to us by giving the fruits. They are useful to us by giving the fruits. As what a plant gives. What a plant gives. First of all, we learn what a plant gives. Plant gives. Here it is. First one, we get fruits. Second one, vegetables. Third one, cereals. Fourth, pulses. Fifth, nuts. Sixth, tea, coffee, and sugar. Okay. So these are all we are getting from plants. What we are getting from plants? Once this is a plant. I already explained in the previous classes about the plants. Plant is giving us flowers and fruits. We are getting food from plants. What type of foods we are getting? First we are getting fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Once again, F-R-U-I-T-S. Fruits. Second one, we are getting vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. What are vegetables? Mommy will prepare, cook for us now. Cook and give for us in the curries now. In the afternoon for lunch we will add curries now. With that, vegetables only mommy can prepare the curries. Okay. Cereals. C E R E A L S. Cereals. Once again, C E R E A L S. Cereals. What are cereals? I'll show you. Okay. Pulses. P U L S E S. Pulses. P U L S E S. Pulses. Next, nuts. N U T S. Nuts. N U T S. Nuts. T E A T. C O F F E E. Coffee. Here, coffee also we are getting from plants. Sugar. S U G A R. Sugar. We get sugar also from plants. How these are? We are getting fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, nuts, tea, coffee, sugar. These are all we are getting from plants. These are all we are getting from plants. So, coming to the lesson plants, food from plants, useful to us. These are all fruits and vegetables. What we are getting, all these are useful to us in our daily life. In our daily life, they are very useful to us. Very useful to us. Second one, mostly we are getting from plants. Most of the food what we eat, all types of varieties, what we are getting from plants, mostly they are from plant. They are from plants. We are getting mostly the food from plants. Mostly the food comes from plants. Okay. Third one, flowers grow from flowers grow into fruits. Flowers grow into fruits. This is a seed. First, the plant flower will be like this. The plant flower will be like this. The flower grows into fruit. The next day, the flower will changes like this and this one become a lightly fruit. Like this it will become. The flower will disappears. Next, the flower here, this is the full flower. Here it changes into a somewhat fruit. This fully changes into a fruit. Okay. Flowers grow into fruits. Flowers grow into fruits. See, this is a flower first. That grows into a fruit. That grows into a fruit. Full form of fruit. Okay. That grows into a fruit. This is the flowers. Here. Flowers grow into fruits. Okay. Most fruits have seeds. Every fruit is having seeds, no? Inside the fruit. If you cut an apple in the middle of it, you will see some type of seeds will be there. The seeds are called vittanal. So that type of black type of some things are called seeds. Okay. Most fruits have seeds. Most fruits have seeds in them. Okay. If you cut an apple like this, apple will be there like this, no? If you cut some seeds, this is called seeds. This is called seeds. Apple middle one is called seeds. All the fruits are having seeds. But one fruit is not having seeds inside it. That fruit is called banana. Banana has no seeds. All fruits are having seeds inside it. But banana has no seeds. Banana has no seeds. Once again I will explain you. First class, subject science, video number 13. Food from plants. Food from plants. Mostly we are getting all the food from plants. Food of two types. We are getting food is of two types. One is coming from plants. Another one is from animals. First of all, we learn about the plants. Food from plants only we are learning today. In this lesson is food from plants. We are going to learn about the plants only. This is a plant. Roots, stem, leaves, flower and fruit. This is the plant. What we are getting from plants? We are getting fruits, vegetables, cereals, pulses, nuts, tea, coffee and sugar we are getting from these plants. All these are getting from plants. All these are getting from plants only, no? So, how plants are useful to us? Plants are useful to us in many ways. They are giving food for us. Different kinds of foods they are giving. Okay, mostly from plants. We are getting all the food most of our food is coming from plants only. Okay, flowers grow into fruits. I already explained, no? First flower will come. After that, 1 or 2 days, the flower will become like this and it will form a fruit. That becomes into a, that flower will disappear. Flower పోతుంది. అది అలాగా పండు కింద తయారవుతుంది అన్నమాట. Okay, that becomes into a fruit. Okay, most fruits have seeds. All the fruits are having seeds inside it. So that seeds are called vittanalu. Those are called seeds. Mostly all fruits are having seeds in them. That is called seeds. Banana has no seeds. Banana, you know, artipandu. That is having no seeds. Seeds won't be there inside the banana. Okay. This is the fourth lesson, food from plants. Today I am going to show you the fruits. Fruits. Okay. What are fruits? Do you know fruits? What are fruits? Fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. What are fruits? Fruits means where it comes, they come from plants. Fruits come from plants. Okay, children? I will show you some of the examples of fruits. Apple. Do you know apple? Do you know apple? What color of the apple is? See here, this is the apple here. This is the apple. Did you see apple here? You will eat now? You like apple? Okay, this is the apple here. Come on. A, P, P, L, E, apple. Once again, A, P, P, L, E, apple. From where it comes? Your mommy will buy, your father will buy and bring it here. From where it is coming? It is coming from plants. This apple is coming from plants. Some are red and some are green also. In these two types are their colors. One is red and one is green also. Okay? Do you like apple? Apple is good for health. Okay, children? Next one. P, A, P, A, Y, A. Papaya. P, A, P, A, Y, A. Papaya. This is the papaya here. Did you see this one? What color it is? It is yellow in color. It is yellow in color. Do you like papaya? Okay. It is also good for health. Okay, papaya. Okay. The spelling of papaya. P, A, P, A, Y, A. Papaya. Next one. Pineapple. Nowadays, pineapple, you can see so many pineapples are coming, no? This is the pineapple. Okay, did you see properly? Pineapple. Your mommy will prepare the juices also. Pineapple juice. This is the pineapple. It is giving a nice smell. Okay. Children, this is the pineapple. Okay. Pineapple. 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 Next one, fourth one. Grapes. What are grapes? These are the grapes here. Did you see? These are the grapes. What color is the grapes? Green color, I think lightish yellow. Yellow and green. Okay. Black also is there, no grapes? Black and one violet color grapes also is there. Okay. Two colors are there. These are the grapes. Okay, children. Grapes. Grapes. Come on, say the spelling of grapes. 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 Do you like these grapes? Okay, grapes. Next one. Fifth one. Pomeraniate. Pomegranate. Pomegranate. This is the pomegranate. Inside red color seeds will be there, no? This is the pomegranate. You all like it? What color in the inside it? It will be reddish in color. All the pomegranate seeds are reddish in color. Okay, did you see? This is also good for health, children. Okay, pomegranate. Next, last one. Banana. Here, this is the banana. Did you see? Banana. You'll eat, no? This is also good for health. Okay, banana. Do you eat in the house now? You'll eat in the house, no? Banana. This is banana. Banana. I already told you one thing in the lesson. Banana is having seeds in them? No, they are not having seeds in banana. Here I already wrote no. Banana has no seeds. They are not having seeds inside it. But all the fruits are having seeds inside it. Okay, once again I'll explain you. This is the fourth lesson. Food from plants. Food from plants. FOOD. Food from PLANTS. Plants. Food from plants. I already show you the plant, what the plant is giving for us. Foods. Plants. They are very useful to us in many ways. They are giving sugar, tea, coffee, cereals, pulses. In so many we are getting now already. I wrote here so many we are getting from plants. Mostly from plants. We are getting most of our food. Food from plants. We are getting mostly our food from plants. Flowers grow into fruits. I already explained now. First flower will come and that will changes into a fruit. That changes into a fruit. That flowers grow into fruits. Flowers grow into fruits. Most fruits have seeds inside them. Mostly we are having seeds inside them. If you cut a papaya here, this is the papaya. If you cut it in the middle of it, you can see the seeds. So many seeds will be there. Okay. All the fruits are having seeds inside them. Okay. Banana has no seeds. Here already I told you, explained, banana is having no seeds. Banana, inside a banana, no seeds are there. Okay. Banana has no seeds. Okay. Apple. Already I showed you the apple here. Apple. This is the apple. Okay. Next one. Papaya. This is the papaya. This is the papaya. Okay. Next one. Pineapple. This is the pineapple. You can see here, no? Next. grapes. These are the grapes. These are the grapes. Black grapes also will be there. These are the grapes. Next one, pomegranate. This is the pomegranate. Inside the pomegranate you can see red seeds. Okay. And last one, banana. Banana is having seeds? No, banana is not having seeds. This is the banana. Okay, these are all the fruits. These are all the fruits. Okay, fruits are good for health. Fruits are good for health. In this lesson, we learned about the fruits. In the next lesson, we will learn about the vegetables. What we are getting from plants. This is the fruits. What we are getting from plants. I explained fully. Next video, I will explain you vegetables. Okay, children?